YouTube? How's the world? This your girl Sister Pepper here, and as you can see, I'm filming from my car, at least starting the video out in the car. We're gonna get out soon. It's raining outside and we're in California. Don't believe the Beach Boys song. It's not always raining in Southern California. It's not. It's really not. And now it's a freaking plane. And yeah, it's ruining my video. But anyways, we're gonna get out. We're gonna go on Walmart, and I'm gonna show you really cool what's inside the camping aisle, because I know a lot of us have never checked out that aisle, so we're gonna check it out together. All right, cool. Alrighty, so we're in the fire emergency part of Walmart. So this is a pretty nifty thing. It's called an emergency power station for 1997. For 4 functions, that's not too shabby. A flashlight, a radio, a siren, and a cell phone charger. And then they have some earthquake survival tools for $4.77, which isn't too shabby. Some first aid value packs, some light sticks, some basic water bottles, and these backpack kits for 1 person for 3 days, 2 persons, etc. So you guys get the gist. This is just the aisle with the smoke alarms in Walmart. So yeah, and right next to them is something important, which is the fire extinguishers. Alrighty. Alrighty, we're in the camping aisle, and these are the lights. They have some awesome Ozark ones for $1. They're behind the glass, so I'll have to get some help for them. They have some decent rail back ones. But lighting is going to be the first thing you need, or one of the first things you'll need, of course. Most important. Let's see what else they got. We'll just hit the aisle and then come back. Alright, bungee cords. We'll just hit water bottles. Insect repellent, which is very important. Alright. And now, fire starters, which is very important. And yeah, you get the picture. So now we're gonna flip the aisle. Grills, if you need that kind of thing. Your cookwares for bugging out. Freeze-dried foods. The mountain houses, backpackers pantry, Coleman stores. And I probably am gonna do a few reviews on the freeze-dried foods. My reviews on what the mountain house tastes like, because I know a lot of people are. Ooh, ration bars. These are heard taste like a really huge cookie, so I'm probably gonna get one of these and probably do a review on one of these too. Alright, first aid kits. Pair of hatchets that I do need for my personal kit. My 4-function whistle, which I love to death. A lot of these in my kit, my stormproof matches I did get from Walmart. Shop at Walmart religiously. Alrighty. And my go-go, I did get that from here as well. Alrighty, you guys get the gist. That's their camping aisle. Visit your local Walmart and check yours out. Thanks so much for coming with Sister Prepper on her first Walmart haul with you guys. I enjoyed it so much and I hope you did too. I hope that you subscribe and like and comment, and I hope to see you around my channel. Until next time guys, Sister Prepper over and out. And don't forget, support your vets, and I'm a vet. Over and out. Peace.